not able to understand where things will move ahead, they're not able to visualize the future, they're in the moment or in the past. Right? Talking about the other extreme, we are talking about excessive energy in this particular chakra. We are referring to somebody who is so much connected with the higher realms that the inputs are just flowing everywhere. You don't know what to do with those inputs. Your higher chakras are so open that the higher consciousness, the power, or whatever you want to name it is pouring all inputs to you, but you don't know how to ground that into your energies. You don't know how to handle that. That's where your thoracic chakra becomes overactivated. So where do you rate yourself? -5 to +5 is the range. And mind you, whatever the first number comes in your mind, that is the right number. There's no assessment around it, whether the number is right or wrong. Whatever pops up into your mind is the right number. Anybody who waits to the highest extreme of +5? All the saving downloads? All the struggles. Alright. I sometimes get into that zone, especially at night between 1:30 to 3:30. I can't sleep because it's like bombardment. I thought like somebody else would be also referring to that kind of